Right, okay. Yes, hi guy. Yes, nice to see you again. Yes, last time I already. This is a sample that Jane has covered. Yes. And today I will continue to replace the valve stem seal. Yes, this we will replace valve stem seal from two valves. Yes. Okay. And yes, here what is we already prepared. Yes, this is camshaft holder. Yes, four spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and then we will have here valve compression, valve spring compressor. Yes, and these are two valve seal. Yes, we have some holding tool, pair of scissors. Yes, and then now let's start. Yes.
Để cho chị nói nữa nha.
Dở vào, mấy tôi kêu ngậm bây giờ á.
Làm sao đó, vậy ngồi chơi cho vui gì đó. Ngồi chơi cho vui. Cái gì trống, ở đây chơi cho vui gì trống làm gì. Yes. Now, already. Let's start. Wow, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is camshaft. Camshaft. Yes. We have 4 cylinder and 16 valves, and we will replace valve seal for two valves. Yes. Okay. In order to use the tool, I have to create an adapter. Because the tool is not long enough. Yes, adapter here. Can you see it? Yes. Spring compressor here. It is not long enough, so I create an adapter here around 10 millimeter width. Hi, exactly. Hi. Now, let's start. The trick is that we will put